Alright guys, here we are. So we got that crossover there that's gonna get replaced, and then this this 6-inch here. Hopefully I got the right size. That looks like it's probably 12. If it's 14, I don't have what I need. I brought 10-inch and 12. So let's go see what it is. Well, looky there, it's a 12-inch. Perfect. And I really only need to replace this first little bit here, because the only bad part of it is right where it goes through the floor right here. So I'm just going to probably take that loose. I got a little bit of hard pipe, and I don't really have all the material to do the whole thing. So let's see. We'll see what the rest of it looks like, but I'll probably just do the first few feet here, and then that one. I think that one's okay too. So I don't know. Maybe I can get out of here easy on a Sunday. So let's get tearing this apart. Check this out, guys. You want to get into HVAC? Got a big rat sitting in there. Been dead a while. He didn't die a good death, that's for sure. Let's get this thing yanked out of here and continue on. They've had traps down here for about weeks now, and with no new fresh ones, so they're not in here right now. And usually in the summertime they don't want to nest. So let's get this thing pulled out. All right, I'm doing it in 2 pieces because it's pretty close to 20 feet long. I should have enough pipe to hard pipe this whole thing. Nothing down the rest of this. It looks like he just died right below the furnace. So let's get the rest of this pulled out, and we'll start putting some hard pipe together. All right, we got that all out, so we're probably gonna do, I gotta go around this cinder block here. Let's do a 5-footer first, and then an elbow here, and then come this way. And we'll have close to about 15 more, excuse me, 15 more feet of pipe after that. Let's get to putting it together. All right, we got our 15 feet so far. Elbows. Let's go do some assembly. All right, I got this first piece on here. Let's get her screwed. I forgot to drag my tape down here, so I got to go back for it. But let's get this screwed. Oh, stay in there, sucker. Switch hands. All right, one more screw. We'll get this together, get it taped, get the elbow on there, and then I'll meet you on the other side. All right, she's all happy now. We got the 5-footer on there. 3 equally spaced screws, mastic taped. Elbow, 3 equally spaced screws, mastic tape. Let's connect that next 10 feet of this. All right, guys, we got this next 10 feet of pipe in there. It's a beautiful thing. And look down there, look down that duct. There ain't gonna be any rats getting in there. Taped off, screwed off. So now all we gotta do is get this last measurement here. I'll raise this duct up a little bit, and we'll get a measurement for this last piece, get this together, and be done with it. And then I can run this little 6-inch right there real quick. Okay, guys, a little trick of the trade segment here. So when you're doing your last piece and you don't have any way to swivel your 2 ends out of the way, leave it unconnected, and you're going to slide it on there, and then you're going to take a panduit straps and a panduit gun, and you're going to cinch it down on there, and it'll push your snap lock together. I'll show you the finished product. All right, that's a wrap on that. She's all connected, taped, seams taped up, screwed, taped. Oh, the whole 9 yards. So I'm gonna come back when I'm not so busy and insulate this, but this will get them going for now, so they got good clean air in the living space. And then this 6-inch duct right here, I'm just gonna rerun it in flex. It's just what I had in the shop. When I come back to insulate that other duct, I will hard pipe this. It's just a short run. It's like 6 feet. So let's get started on that, and then I'll be out of here. All right, guys, I got that 6-inch replaced. Here's all the carnage that's left over. So there's the old 6-inch, just to show you that I did replace it with brand new flex. Like I said, I'm going to put rigid pipe in there when I come back to insulate the replacement for that. So that's a wrap on this.